So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make link tree on Instagram, because we can only put one link on Instagram. So when you use link tree, you can put 5 or 6 links in one place from one link, right? So that's why we are using link tree. Let's go to the screen and I'll show you how to make link tree on Instagram. Type link tree like that, and then go here. Oops, where is that? Okay, link tree. Okay, you can get started for free, and then you need to put your email address, username, password, and register. So let me type something else. Any month 2020. Okay. Sorry, at gmail.com tutorial, and then it is coming linktr.ee / you can put your username. So I will, okay, looks like it's available. This is your main link, right? So this link is gonna appear everywhere, so it's better to make it nice and short. So I'll put the password and repeat password, then I will click register. Once you click register, the before screen, you are coming here. So I will put my name, Nimant Dias, and then you need to select 3 categories. I will select a brand, business professional, business professional. Okay, just put this. Okay, not a big deal, but try to put relevant, something relevant. Okay, yes, okay, and then tell that you are not a robot, traffic light. Okay, and then verify, and then save details. Okay, so now these options are coming. So what you get for free, what you get for pro. Okay, so $6 for a 1 month. So you can, I mean, from the beginning, if you like to pay $6, I mean, it's okay to pay $6, but you can always start with free and then upgrade to the pro plan. Okay, so click to rate is there too. This is something interesting. Click-through rate is good to have. Integration with MailChimp. Okay, complete customization of your link tree, colors, button, font. So at the moment, I just click on continue with free because I can upgrade later. Continue. So I did not confirm the link, so I need to verify. Click to my inbox. Okay, verified. Just click the link and then continue. Just go to your email and look for a email from Linktree. Okay, so now you can add new link. So this is how it's gonna appear. Okay, so this is my username, Nimant Dias. Okay, and then Linktree logo is there. I think I don't remember. I mean, if you have the pro plan, this link will go out of your screen. So yeah, you can do this stuff later. So add new link. Okay, so I will put internet marketing. Okay, maybe this will be a little bit long. Let me check a little bit later. Internet marketing YouTube channel, or the channel URL. Okay, Nimant Dias. get that link, oops, not that one, and put the URL. Once it does, and see, it is a little bit too long, right? I mean, I knew that, but I just wanted to see how it looks like. The good thing is you can always change this stuff, okay? So no stress. Quick and easy. There you go, and then you can just click it. So this is how it looks like, but you can see that there's no photo as well. Appearance, pick an image, right? Okay, would like to show it a little bit more small. I think that is much better. Okay, save. And these are actually from Pro Plan. You can click it, blah blah blah, temporary forward all visitors direct to a destination, bypassing your link tree together. And this one is the thumbnail, if I remember. Yeah, so you can put a thumbnail. And this one, priority link, you can highlight your most important link, you can schedule link, and here is your small analytics, because it doesn't give you a lot of details, but it even it says more analytics available in Pro. These are actually most of coming from Pro plan, so they are promoting Pro plans there. Okay, so we can click the link. Nice, super. So now I can go to Instagram. There you go, and here is my current link because it just go to my Facebook page. So I go here, edit profile, and then website is that. Okay, so now it is there. Great. So if you like this tutorial, give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. So if you like to learn about internet marketing, you can subscribe, because I am doing every third day a video about internet marketing. So see you in the next video.